In this video, I'm going to walk you through the official Vyvo SocialFi announcements from the Singapore 2025 convention presented by Alessandro Senatore on the 21st of November. My goal here is simple: to translate every slide into plain English so you understand exactly what's changing with the products, the SocialFi rewards, and the brand new Vyvo SocialFi system powered by Vyvo AI. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the big picture. Vyvo's goal is to shape a business model that is more modern, more future-oriented, and perfectly suited to a digital, AI-based product, while still preserving the proven historical dynamics that have driven this industry's success for decades. In other words, we're not throwing away what works in network marketing. We're upgrading it for an AI world, with smarter products, smarter systems, and smarter rewards. In this presentation, there are three key areas you need to understand: updated product offering and price list, what's in the new Vyvo member bundle and how the pricing works, SocialFi rewards improvements, how commissions and bonuses are getting simpler and more powerful, the Vyvo SocialFi system with the Vyvo AI plugin, the new system that does a lot of the explaining, presenting, and follow-up for you. I'll go through each of these step by step. Let's start with the updated product offering. From Tuesday, January 6th, there is an important change. The free one-month vouchers will no longer be included in the Vyvo member bundle. Instead, here's what the Vyvo member bundle includes. 1. Vyvo Life CoPilot 1-year subscription. Special price, $299. That's about 14% off, so you save $48. 1 SocialFi Hub Console Pro 1-year subscription, $10 in agent credits. These can be used for paid AI agents or apps. Some apps like Calendar, Email, Deep Research, and Google Meet are already included for free in the App Store. So the bundle is tightly focused on giving you 1 full year of Vyvo Life CoPilot plus the SocialFi Hub Console Pro at a discounted price with some extra AI credit on top. Now let's move into the SocialFi rewards improvements. There are 3 big enhancements. Fast Start the Business, a brand new dynamic designed to maximize earnings for every new member during their first 10 weeks in business. Simplify to Amplify. The commission calculation process is being simplified, so it's easier to explain, easier to track, and easier to duplicate. Weekly Rank Boost, a weekly rank advancement rhythm that creates a clear end-of-week call to action. Every week, you know exactly what you're aiming for to reach a higher rank. Now let's go deeper into how the rewards work. First, the Connections Reward. This is your instant money. Here's the basic rule. When you invite someone to join the Vyvo community, they become your connection, and you become their connector. As a connector, every time one of your connections makes a purchase, you get paid within seconds of the transaction. There are no limits on how many times this can happen, and the standard rate is 10% instant rewards on every purchase made by your connections, anytime, on any amount. So think of it this way. Whenever your personally connected customers or partners buy something, you get a 10% instant commission sent to you in real time. On top of that, Vyvo has created the 5 Weeks Challenge to help new members fast start their business. Here's how it works. From the date you activate your Hub console, a special qualification window opens. This window lasts until the end of the 5th full epoch that follows your activation. An epoch is basically a weekly cycle. Your window includes the remainder of the week in which you activate your Hub console, plus the next 5 full consecutive epochs. During this early period, how many sales you generate through your connections will determine a higher instant reward percentage on all your direct sales. Let's look at the levels. During your 5-week qualification window, your results set your connections reward percentage for all your direct sales. There are 3 levels. Base level, fewer than 3 sales or less than 900 HV in volume. You stay at the standard 10% instant connections reward. No extra weeks are added. Builder level, at least 3 sales to different users, and at least 900 HV in total. Your connections reward becomes 15%. You also earn 3 extra weeks of this boosted percentage. Developer level, at least 5 sales to different users, and at least 1,500 HV in total. Your connections reward increases to 20%, and you get 5 extra weeks at this 20% rate. Here's the powerful part. The earned percentage, 15 or 20%, applies retroactively to all sales made during the qualification window, and then it continues to apply to all sales made during the extension weeks. So if you hit developer, you don't just earn 20% going forward. You are upgraded retroactively for that whole first window, and then enjoy 5 more weeks at 20%. This is designed to reward fast action and give new members a serious income boost early in their journey. Next, we move from instant rewards to residual income. This is where the community rewards come in. You and your connections are part of a much bigger team. This is your community. In the community reward system, for every cycle of $100 in volume generated in your hubs, you earn between $5 and $9 in commission. That amount is called your cycle value. A couple of key notes. This refers to balanced hubs in the structure. The percentage is based on a share value of $1. The exact amount you earn per cycle depends on how many cycles your community generates in that week. Here is how your cycle value increases as your community generates more cycles per epoch. From 1 to 4 cycles, you earn $5 per cycle. From 5 to 14 cycles, $5.30 per cycle. From 15 to 29 cycles, $5.60 per cycle. From 30 to 79 cycles, $6 per cycle. From 80 to 149 cycles, $6.30 per cycle. From 150 to 299 cycles, $6.60 per cycle. From 300 to 799 cycles, $7 per cycle. From 800 to 1,499 cycles, $7.30 per cycle. From 1,500 to 2,999 cycles, $7.60 per cycle. From 3,000 to 7,999 cycles, $8 per cycle. From 8,000 to 14,999 cycles, $8.50 per cycle. From 15,000 cycles and above, $9 per cycle. So the more production your community generates in a week, the higher the payout per $100 cycle. This creates a powerful leveraged residual income as your team grows. There is also a special promotional boost. Until December 29th, all total cycles below 300 in an epoch will be paid at a flat rate of $7 per cycle. That means, instead of earning between $5 and $6.60 on cycles 1 through 299, you will earn $7 per cycle for that entire range. This is a strong incentive to build now, because even smaller or mid-sized communities enjoy elite-level payout during the promo period. Your total number of cycles per epoch doesn't just determine how much you get paid. It also sets your recognition rank. Here's how the ranks line up with total cycles. From 1 to 4 cycles, rising 1 star. From 5 to 14 cycles, rising 2 star. From 15 to 29 cycles, rising 3 star. From 30 to 79 cycles, premier 1 star. From 80 to 149 cycles, premier 2 star. From 150 to 299 cycles, premier 3 star. From 300 to 799 cycles, elite 1 star. From 800 to 1,499 cycles, elite 2 star. From 1,500 to 2,999 cycles, elite 3 star. From 3,000 to 7,999 cycles, ambassador 1 star. From 8,000 to 14,999 cycles, ambassador 2 star. From 15,000 cycles and above, ambassador 3 star. So your weekly production not only affects your pay per cycle, it also determines your title and recognition in the company. Now let's move to the Vyvo Social Fi system with the Vyvo AI plugin. This is a simple four-step system designed to help you invite, present, and follow up in a professional, automated way. The four steps are: the link, make the invitation; SocialFi CoPilot, follow up. Think of it as a guided funnel. You create the link, send the invitation, the system and AI CoPilot do the heavy lifting, and then you simply follow up. Let's break down each step. Step 1. Create the invitation link. From your Vyvo SocialFi app or back office, you create a unique invitation link. You can customize it with the prospect's details so the system knows who you're inviting. Step 2. Send the invitation. Next, you send that link to your prospect using any communication channel you like: chat, email, text, social media, whatever you prefer. Step 3. Overview by SocialFi CoPilot. Once the prospect clicks the link, the SocialFi CoPilot system takes over. It walks them through a full overview of both the product and the business, using videos and AI-driven interactions. Step 4. Follow up. Finally, you get notified by the system about what happened, how the conversation went, what the prospect watched, and whether they've already decided to make a purchase or register. Your job is then simply to follow up at the right time, with the right context, because the system has already done most of the explaining for you. Here's what it looks like when you create an invitation. You'll see: invitation from your name and your recognition rank. For example, Alessandro Senatore, Ambassador Influencers 3-star. Invitation to your prospect's details: name, language, country, or city, which hub you want them associated with, and any notes you want to remember. Voucher options. If you have available vouchers, you can link one to that invitation. The system makes the invitation process professional and personalized, so your prospect sees exactly who is inviting them and why. The Vyvo SocialFi CoPilot interface on desktop gives you one central place where the conversation with each prospect is tracked. You can see their status, what actions they've taken, and where they are in the process. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can manage many prospects at the same time without getting lost. You don't have to remember everything in your head. The system remembers for you. Here's what your prospect experiences after clicking your link. They can watch a 2-minute introduction video that quickly builds excitement and curiosity. They can talk directly to the AI SocialFi CoPilot, asking questions and getting instant answers. They can watch a one-day in the life video showing how the Vyvo AI Life CoPilot works in real life. They can watch a full business opportunity overview video. They can watch a video that explains the SocialFi rewards plan in detail. And when they're ready, they can register for free, and they have a direct link to purchase in the store. So the system does a professional, consistent presentation every single time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a way that's the same for everyone. There is also a mobile version of the Vyvo SocialFi CoPilot. Your prospects can go through the entire experience right from their phone. They can join the revolution, watch videos, talk to the AI, register, and purchase, all from a smooth, mobile-friendly interface. This makes it easy to share the opportunity with anyone, anywhere. The heartbeat of everything we've just talked about is Vyvo AI. The Vyvo SocialFi CoPilot is powered by Vyvo AI, and the company's vision is clear. This is the system that will revolutionize the industry. We're moving from traditional manual presentations to an AI-driven, automated, always-on system that can scale globally without losing the human touch, because you are still there to invite and follow up. Let's finish with the delivery roadmap for the Vyvo AI Life CoPilot and the SocialFi CoPilot system. Here are the key dates. Saturday, November 22nd. Official opening of the Vyvo Life CoPilot app. From that date until Monday, December 8th, the app is free to use for everyone. From Tuesday, December 9th, access will no longer be free for everyone. Users who have a 1-year voucher can activate it and begin their full year of access. From Wednesday, January 7th, the 1-month subscription option will open. 1-month vouchers can also be used from that point. And importantly, from Wednesday, January 7th, the Vyvo VAI CoPilot system itself will be officially released. So the timeline is clear. First, everyone gets a free taste of Vyvo Life CoPilot, then vouchers and subscriptions begin, and then the full VAI CoPilot system goes live, ready for you to build with. That's the full walkthrough of the official Singapore 2025 Vyvo VAI announcements. We've covered the updated member bundle and pricing, the enhanced VAI rewards, including the Connections Reward, the 5 Weeks Challenge, Community Rewards, and Recognition Ranks, and the new Vyvo VAI system with the AI-powered Copilot and its rollout roadmap. If you're watching this as a guest, get back to the person who shared it with you and ask them for their invitation link. If you're already in the Vyvo community, now is the time to position yourself, plug into the system, and get ready for January 7th and beyond. Thanks for watching.